It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Auto shift manual transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.